It's activity time now. Children, today we will do an activity based on ascending and descending order. Now, in front of you, you can see some flashcards in a basket. So today we will arrange the flashcards in ascending order, and later on we will arrange the given flashcards in descending order. So shall we start? So you can see some flashcards. First we have 634, then 776, then 215 and 997. So we'll arrange them in ascending order. So children, you know what is an ascending order? When we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Now tell me, which one is the smallest number here? We'll just check the hundreds place. Wherever hundreds place is smallest, the number is smallest. Yes, the first number we have is 215. This is the smallest number. Now we will keep it here. After this we have 634. So now first we have 215, then 634, then we have 776, and the last number we have is 997. So we have arranged the flashcards in ascending order. Now again we have some flashcards and we will arrange them in ascending order. So read the numbers. On first flashcard we have 699, then we have 847, then 347, and last we have 292. Now we will arrange them in again ascending order. So which one is the smallest number? Yes, you are right children. 292 is the smallest one. So we will take it and keep it here at first place. Now, which number will come next? Yes, now comes 347. And the third number we have here 6. So 699 will come next. And the biggest number is 847. So children, we have again arranged them in ascending order. Now we will arrange the given flashcards in descending order. So which one is the biggest number? Yes, we have 292, 215, then we have 699 and 634. So which one is the biggest? Here we have 634, here we have 699. Here one's place is same. No, this is not one's place, this is hundreds place. Okay children, this is hundreds place. Both digits are same. And then at tens place we have here 9 and here we have 3. It means 699 is the biggest number. So we will take it and it will come here at first place. And then smaller than 669, then we have here 634. And then we have 900, 292, and the last number we have 215. So children, we have arranged them in descending order. Now once again we will arrange the given flashcards in descending order. So which one is the biggest number? Check the number at hundreds place. Here we have 847, 634, 347 and 997. So here we have 9. So this one is the biggest number and it will come here. And after this we have 847. So we will keep it here. And then at hundreds place we have 634. So it will come here. And the smallest number we have 347. Now again we have arranged the flashcards in descending order. I hope you have understood the concept and enjoyed the activity. Bye bye. Take care.